everyone, welcome back to the another video. Let's go. We are diving into the next big wave of the internet, Web 3.0. Forget the cat video and memes because this is about to reshape the way we interact with the everything online. Buckle up because we are talking about decentralized web, one where you are in a control. What is Web 3.0? Remember, Web 1.0 is static website and Web 2.0 is the era of social media giant. Well, Web 3.0 is about putting the power back in the hand of users. It is built in a blockchain technology, the same stuff that power cryptocurrencies. But imagine it's spread across the entire internet. That means the no more single companies controlling your data, no more algorithms deciding what you see, and more importantly, no more data breaches. Decentralize the game changer. Think of it like this. The internet today is like a city owned by a few mega corporations. They control the building, the street, even the air you breathe. Your data. Web 3.0 is building a new city owned by its citizens. Everyone has a voice, everyone has a say, and everyone has a control over their own digital space. That opens up a world of possibilities, from censorship resistant marketplace to truly democratic online communities. Traditional industries. Now let's go down to juicy stuff. How will Web 3.0 shake up some industries? Finance. Say goodbye to banks and hello to decentralized finance. DeFi. Imagine peer-to-peer handing and borrowing, broad-based transaction, and even owning a piece of real estate through token. The future of finance is permissionless and open to everyone. Social media. Try your data, being in mind to ads. Web 3.0 centralized social networks. Put your back in a change. Own your content. Connect with the like-minded people and say goodbye to censorship. Entertainment. NFTs, the already changing game. Imagine owning a unique piece of digital art or even supporting your favorite artist directly through blockchain-based platform. Get ready for more interactive and rewarding entertainment. The pillar of Web 3.0. So what the key features? The decentralized future, blockchain, the cryptographic leader secured everything from data to transaction with the unparalleled transparency and trust. No more relying on corporative to keep our data stuff safe. Static web. Imagine machine understanding the meaning of your data, not just the keyword. That's open door to personalized experience and smarter AI interaction. Artificial intelligence. Yes, the machine are learning, but 3.0 focus on AI, enhance human capabilities, not replace them. Think personalized learning, adaptive interface, and automated assistant. Challenge and opportunities. Of course, a revolution like this comes with the challenges. Scalability, security, and accessibility are still hurdles to overcome, but potential is undeniable. Web 3.0 has the power of create more equitable, secure, and user-centric internet. Own your future. This is just a tech trend. It's the moment. The future of the internet is being built now, and you can be a part of it. Start learning about blockchain, explore decentralized applications, and join communities shaping Web 3.2. Remember, knowledge is a power and Web 3.2, the power is yours. So, what are your thoughts on Web 3.2? Do you think it will truly disrupt traditional industries? Share your ideas in the comment below and don't forget to hit subscribe button and like this video and share to friends and your families. Thanks for watching.